We are very excited to bring to you another episode of
You make it, we skate it.
You Make It, We Skate It.
I actually think this kind of counts as skate everything.
Okay, skate everything.
You make it, and we skated it.
You make it, we skate everything.
That's right.
There we go.
So let's open this bad Rangango app. Oh, this is black paint. Sorry. I didn't realize.
I have this thing.
I was getting the black paint near Gabe's
No,
fist
do
of
not.
I mean,
glory.
I have this.
Oh, go ahead.
Okay.
I think McNugget's the only logical one here.
Oh, the paint! Watch it!
This is what you get spanked by
Hold
when you're
on.
bad.
What?
For the reveal.
Here, Braille Skateboarding. Excuse me? Should be quiet for 1 minute, Thanos. Dear Braille Skateboarding. First try!
Here.
Hi,
Hold
Matthew
hold the
and
note with
siblings.
this.
Hi, Matthew and siblings here. Love watching you guys. I started skateboarding recently because of your YouTube channel. Yes. I learned a lot. I think this board turned out pretty fantastic. It's both a unique skateboard and a fair weapon to have during the inevitable zombie apocalypse. I did think Carlos was turning. We'd love to see y'all do a nose grind on this bad boy. Thanks for choosing our board. I love to see like what people choose. Some people say kickflip, other people give it a nose grind.
Nose grind, dude.
Hope y'all have loads of fun, and we can't wait to watch you guys ride this. The Buongiornos, Italian for good day.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Buongiornos.
Look at how he wrote it, though. I swear, that's not how you spell it,
I
right?
think it is how you spell it.
Buongiorno, I knew that. Matt and Jesse, Johnny and Ray. Thank you. Let's skate it.
All right, let's
Hammerhead.
reveal it. Ready?
Hammerhead. Short. Oh, what? Braille Skateboarding established 07?
That's one of the nicest skateboard.
That's how he gets across the border.
That thing is awesome. I want to see
Time Stone. I also love it when they put trucks and wheels on there for us.
Yeah, they did a good job.
Yeah, they really did. Braille Skateboarding established 07.
Look at that custom art here.
Rochambeau for the Wangdanga.
1, 2, 3. Next first.
Oh.
I defeated Thanos first.
Well, technically you have the Infinity Gauntlet, so you win everything and you go first.
Yep.
Time Stone.
This is just a waste of time.
Thanos, second, third. Betty will be last.
Kickflip off?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I don't think you can pop it from that side. And this side, there's no tail to pop it at all. Might be impossible to kickflip.
That's happening.
It's not enough tail. No way.
It's at least a clam.
What? What now? What you got now? You gonna nose grind it?
The flip of the kick variety.
I think that he can't do it without breaking it.
That was like that before you even ollied it.
Oh.
No, it was not. It's so good that we've never done any video ever like this before. Just one of a kind only video. We've never done anything like this before. Here you go, kickflip off.
Well, that's like the Aaron version and that's like the Carlos version.
It's true, I am large.
Yes, sir.
Might as well stay
I
broken.
think you should get a turn.
We need some
think
of that
so.
tape. That tape that is like super strong. What's it called?
Good tick.
You got that
I got
too.
this right now.
Double flip.
It's not possible.
Here,
It's
here,
not
here.
possible.
Wait, Aaron, let me help you. Someone get this slow-mo for the man's gram.
There you go. Now that we have it on camera for my grand. For the grand?
Stop not sending.
I am sending.
No, you're not.
I fully send.
You kickflip and then you go, ah!
No, I put it in the mail and it went to the mailman and got fully sent. Ah!
No, I'm freaking doing it, dude. I'm upset right now. It's gonna happen.
Oh, wow, good try.
Oh, you want me to try? A good call try right here. Was that a good child try?
It was alright.
How's the round today?
Right there.
In his head, he heard the word kangaroo.
Well, it's already breaking.
Oh. I told you.
That's not true. I'm still gonna do it. No, one more.
You ready for the gram? I said I couldn't kickflip anything. They said it couldn't be done. They said I wouldn't do it. This is the real world. No, no more holes in the walls. No! Dude.
Dude.
I've never seen you so determined for something.
I know. It's because I know I can do it, but it's just not happening. Dude. I knew it! I knew it could be done.
I knew it could not be kickflipped, and I'm glad nobody proved me wrong. How? He says. This is Carlitos.
These guys were experienced, because I can't fathom how that could even go down the 5-stair.
Well done.
You're
probably gonna have to drop 3 times as fast.
Turn that way. Okay, Carlos, do it again, and as you're in the air, I'll try and hit you with this.
Oh no! No!
Let me push you.
Yeah, let him push you. You okay, bro?
Fine, bro.
Do you even lift?
No.
Oh no, you break everything, Carlos! Skate it till it breaks, will the paddle break?
That is so weird.
It broke.
That looks like a weapon.
It does.
You can manual that.
Exactly. Let's try and manual down this bank all the way out the Braille house. This can be done. Did that count? I think I scraped.
You are a righteous man.
Thanks. It's that transition at the bottom.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
I hit a rock right. That counts. I'm counting that.
for sure.
Did you see that though? I hit a rock like right at the end.
Finish it off.
All right, guys, we cannot thank you enough for sending us these incredible contraptions, inventions, creative complexities that you come up with. It's just mind-blowingly cool.
Nice words.
So send us another one. Send us an email with a picture of what you got going on. Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. Again, it's skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. We love your submissions, so keep them coming. And yeah, we want to do more videos like this. We hope you guys like them. If you do, click the like button, even if you don't like it. If you don't like it, click the dislike button. So it's either like or dislike. Leave that comment below. Let us know what you would like to see more of in the comments below. And now the whole point of this is to get more people into skateboarding, because we have fun skateboarding and we think you will too. So get a skateboard at brailleskateboarding.com. Get the learn how to skateboard videos there. We have literally anything you would ever need, including a helmet that will really help you. So go right here to go to the other video, which we are about to show you, which is right here, which is an incredible video, which is another You Make It, We Skate It video that we think that you will really like. So thank you, 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 thank you. You guys are part of a very important mission to push skateboarding all over the world, and we could not do this without each and every single one of you, so thank you. Please subscribe, like, leave that comment below.
Follow Troy on Instagram.
Yeah.
Triceratops.